Want to launch your own Collabathon? Here's how to set it up on Feeturre. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating and hosting a Collabathon from your dashboard. Begin by going to your Feeturre dashboard. Click on the Create button to get started. From the Creation menu, select Collabathons to begin setting up your event. Enter a clear and engaging title for your Collabathon. Then, add a detailed description so participants can fully understand the challenge. Next, enter the rules in the Rules section. After that, add your requirements in the Requirements section. Make sure they are clear and specific. Once that's done, add your judging criteria clearly so participants know how their work will be evaluated. Then, enter the judges, add tags, and define the total prize for the winner to make your Collabathon more engaging and competitive. And set important dates, including the start date, end date, submission deadline, and results announcement. Upload a professional ticket image and the official audio track that participants will use for their submissions. After that, set your visibility to public and enter the meta title. Finally, review all your details carefully, then click Submit to launch your Collabathon. That's how you can create and host your own Collabathon on Feeturre.